Muli nga tayong pinabilib ng pambansang kamao sa kanyang panalo kahapon. Ang tanong tuloy ng marami, ito na nga ba ang tamang panahon para iwan niya ang boxing?
Para pag-usapan niya, ay makakasama natin ang boxing analyst na si Mike Otsosa. Magandang umaga, sir.
Magandang umaga sa
Salamat
inyo,
po sa
Jeff.
pagising ng umaga.
Chris.
Good morning.
Salamat, yes.
May hangover pa ba, sir, sa fight? Okay.
Actually, napagod ako kahapon kasi maaga rin kami nag-umpisa kahapon. So, I was awake the whole day. So.
Okay. Sir, what can you say about the fight yesterday?
Well, to me, it was a very interesting fight. No? Sinabi ko naman yan nung mga nagtatanong sa akin, despite the low interest, I said it was, to the purist, sa mga nakakaintindi ng laro, I think it was a very good fight because Bradley is one who will not run away. No, and he will throw punches. No? He may not be physically as good as Manny, but at least he will give Manny yung challenge ba. So it was a good fight. No? However, pareho naman nagsalita yung dalawa kahapon after. No? Sabi nga ni Bradley, I came in 100% and ang bilib niya kahapon, that's the best Bradley coming in. No? Ang problema, Manny came in as the best Manny Pacquiao also. So at least na klaro natin lahat after 2-3 fights, no? Third fight, na pag pinagsabay mo silang dalawa at the same level, Manny will really dominate against Bradley.
Sir, again, yung common viewer, hindi nila manonotice yung mga pagbabago ni Manny Pacquiao kasi they mentioned, especially nandun ako sa Delpan kahapon sa one of the venues, ang sinasabi nila, parang gano'n na lang din, parang dati na lang, since pangatlo na to, parang ine-expect na natin. Pero sa inyo, sir, may mga pagbabago nga ba
Si Manny?
Oo.
The skill level, actually pag tinignan mo yung 8-week training no, ni Manny, wala silang masyadong binago sa galawan. So tama, to that point, tama. No? Ang pinakita ni Manny kahapon, yung desire. Iba yung galaw niya dahil do sa the objective, really, the situation. The skill level was there. Kasi pag pinanood mo nga yung mga tapes, the movements are the same. Freddy would do the mitts, same thing, move 1, 2, 3, right, left, it's the same. Walang strategic change in skill. But when Manny came in yesterday, when I was covering the fight, unang round pa lang, alam mo na yung galawan, the feints, the fakes, the movements, in and out, left and right. Iba yung, in other words, parang mas ganado siya lumaban kahapon. In fact, inamin naman niya, every round, sabi niya, gusto niyang umpisahan
Sa
na.
pinakamalaking laban ni Pacquiao na napanood natin, yung kay Mayweather, do you think Manny was in a better shape? Itong laban niya ito kay Timothy Bradley? Or do you think Timothy Bradley was really just not ready at the skill level of Manny?
Yes, yesterday nakita ni Bradley yung tunay na Pacquiao, I think. And I think nagulat siya. And I say that because pag tinignan mo naman yung training ng Bradley, and naipakita niya yung galawan niya kay Rios, no? Pagpasok ni Mr. Atlas, the new trainer, there were really differences in terms of strategy and movements. No? Except that, kahapon, nung pinanonood namin, on the third round, biglang bumalik si Bradley sa old style. I call it the default. Yung tayo as people, di ba? Pag when you're in trouble, you go back to what you're used to. Bumalik agad si Bradley. Yung kanan na galing sa malayo, binato. Wala yung inside fighting. Wala yung movements with the left. Na lahat, tinuro ni Atlas na pinakita niya kay Rios. So to your question, Mayweather, Bradley obviously is much lower in terms of stature and skill, no? And we'll talk about this fight, wag yung Mayweather. But nabigla si Bradley sa nakita niya, na pinakita ni Manny.
Sir, since na-mention din ni Grace yung about Mayweather, tapos you mentioned earlier yung low interest sa fight.
Yes.
Do you think factor din yun na nanggaling tayo dun sa match na pinag-usapan, kaya mas kokonti yung...
Oo naman. I think there are several factors. Number one, tama ka. No? Galing tayo sa napakataas na Mayweather, tapos biglang magiging Bradley. Tapos pangatlo pa ni Bradley. Di ba? Na a lot of people think, even friends ni Bradley, thought natalo siya ng unang laban. Di ba? So parang everybody would say na, ay parang, as you said, more of the same. No?
Kaya hindi masyadong nag-ingay.
Hindi masyadong
Kanina nga
maingay.
ni-report na nga natin yung ibang mga venues, di ba? Kahit yung pinuntahan mo, ay hindi talaga napuno, hindi katulad ng dati na talagang siksikan
Isa
talaga.
pang factor, Grace, na sinasabi nung ibang nandun, yung init ng panahon. Kaya hindi sila nagpunta sa mga venues. Especially sa Manila, wala masyadong ventilation. Pero sir, yung sa rhythm ba, sir, may nagbago rin kay Pacquiao sa
Hindi,
both
ang ganda
fighters?
nga ng galawan niya. Alam, this is the 9th fight that I've covered. No? And dito ko nakita yung galawan talaga na parang nakita ko nung De La Hoya fight, no? The first fight. No? Na talagang, he was there to impress. He was there to really, show them that he still has it. Bumagal siya. Siyempre, the age is there. Hindi man natin masasabing nandun na all the time, no? But by virtue of yung desire, the movement, muntik na ako may sinabi. but I was so excited knowing how he was moving. Sorry.
Nakaroon ba tayo kanina?
Oo.
Alam nyo, ilang laban na pinag-uusapan natin talaga yung pagre-retiro ni Manny. Sa palagay niyo po ba, sir, ito ay tamang panahon na para mag-retiro si Manny or dahil sa pinakita niyang galing sa fight kahapon, wag muna,
Okay.
few years more.
If I were to be selfish, which I was yesterday,
Yes.
round number 7 yata, sinabi ko na nag-hashtag na ako, don't retire. Kasi grabe naman kasi ang pinakita nung Pacquiao, regardless of kung sino yung katapat niya. However, I also respect him as a person, I know him, and his family. And if it's a family decision, I think he should. Pero
Professionally.
from a fan's perspective,
Yes.
and someone who loves the sport, wag muna. Parang medyo kaya mo pa, no? But yun na nga, I think at the end of the day, it's going to be his decision.
Mukhang marami naman kayo naging selfish kahapon, sir. Nagsabi na wag mo.
O, hashtag
Marami
natin, baka
talaga.
makarating sa kanya, don't retire nga sabi ko.
Tsaka alam mo, parang marami pang mga Pilipino ang in denial pa. Na
Right.
talagang, baka talagang magre-retiro si Manny. 'Di ba? Dahil wala akong masyadong narinig kahit sa Facebook, wala akong masyadong nabasa tungkol sa farewell nga ni Manny. It was a celebratory mood overall.
Pero sir, kayo satisfied ba kayo dun sa exit ni Pacquiao? Like Marquez kasi pinabagsak siya before siya mag-retire. Pero si Pacquiao, hindi niya napatulog si Bradley. So, kayo po ba?
Ako personally, I don't think you need to have a grand, very, very grand ending. No? Nakita mo naman yung karir nung tao, no? So you don't need to have that knockdown to go out well. You just have to win well, and okay na yung karir mo.
Grand ending meaning end with Mayweather.
Ah,
Yun po ba?
Okay.
Ayan.
There you go.
Napapaisip tuloy ako dyan, Grace, sa sinabi mo, ha?
Oo, maraming salamat po, sports analyst Mike Ochosa. Good
Okay.
morning again, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Morning.
Be sure to come back. Use 5 everywhere. Copyright 2016.